The Canis lupus familiaris, better known as the German Shepherd, is America's second most popular dog breed. As man's best friend, the German Shepherd makes an ideal traveling companion, especially when going to partake in one of their favorite activities, chasing frisbees. As one of the most highly athletic canine species, the German excels at running, jumping, catching, and coordination. Or at least most do. As one of the larger domesticated breeds, shepherds can require up to 2,000 calories a day, making them one of the most expensive dogs to maintain. At a staggering average weight of 80 pounds, this breed can be hard to handle for some. Like most dogs, the German Shepherd loves to partake in the occasional iced treat. While this breed may seem like a lot of work to some, integrating one into your family may be the best thing you ever do.